Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this mermaid princess look for Halloween. If you are interested to see how I achieved this glamorous mermaid makeup look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so today we are going to be doing the Halloween look. It is our first Halloween look, and so today I thought we would do something simple, I guess. We're doing like a mermaid look, like a mermaid princess goddess look. I picked up these Wet n Wild templates. They were like $1.99. They are a sticker, so this is the front. Scalies, starfish, shell. On the other side, more scalies, seahorse, anchor, wavy lines. I don't know what those are for. So to create this mermaid look, we're gonna try and use these templates. I'm not sponsored by Wet n Wild. I literally just picked these up at Meijer. I just wanted to try them to see how they worked because Wet n Wild comes out with Halloween makeup every year, and so I thought, why not give it a try? They're just stickers though, so we are going to have to kind of work gingerly with them, patiently, carefully, because I am going to have to pick it back up and put it back down. So I'm just cutting the scaly part off from the other stickers, and I have already done my face. So I have put primer, foundation, concealer, did a little bit of eyebrows, and I have set the whole face with some Coty Airspun. I will link all of the products that I used for the base of my face in the description box, but to keep this video semi-short, I don't know how long it's gonna be, I figured I would save time and do that off camera and kind of prep first. So, do I want my scales? Yeah, I want my scales up and down. Alternatively, if you don't want to go out and get the template, you can use like a wig cap or a hairnet if you would like. See, then there's that like huge gap. Alright, we're just going to, we'll just start here. Like I said, it's a sticker, so just gently tap it down. Alright. I don't want to like cut it, but I also want to cut it because I'm gonna have to use this for the other side. So, alright. And now what I'm going to do is I have all of these Colourpop Super Shock shadows that are just like mermaid-esque. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to start with a Super Shock shadow in Coconut. It is this dark blue color, and I'm actually going to use this as kind of like my contour shade, if you will. I am using this sponge brush from like Joann Fabrics or like Michaels. Full disclosure, it's because I was too lazy to go upstairs and get some disposable makeup sponges. But, joke's on everybody, these work amazing with these Super Shock shadows. So I'm just going to dip it in, and then I'm just going to tap it where I would like the blue. Kind of following the stencil. We can always clean up later if we go outside of the stencil, I assume. Now I'm using the Super Shock shadow in Banana Daiquiri, which is this like mermaidy color. It's like this tealy blue, and I'm just doing kind of like a gradient up my face, and I'm using like a stippling pouncing motion. I'm not really like swiping. Now I'm going into, what is this? Slave to Pink. Moment of truth, because I have to peel it off. Oh, look at how cool that looks. That's amazing. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. I'm trying to get it like even. Now we have to do the forehead. I don't exactly know how I want to do that. Alright, I'm going to take this bigger one and just lay it across my forehead. And what I'd like to do is kind of like create a little bit of like a widow's peak, if that makes sense. I'm going to start with coconut and I'm going to go along my hairline. And I know what you're thinking, there's that pink there. We'll figure it out, don't worry. If you watch my channel on a regular basis, or if you're new, welcome. We troubleshoot a lot here because I don't always know what I want to do immediately. If you don't have these Super Shock shadows, you can definitely use whatever color eyeshadows you want. I just saw these Super Shock shadows and was like, yes, these are the absolute necessity for this mermaid look. That is so I also think I just didn't want my mermaid look to be one color either. Yes. And so being able to have like the blue to green to purple to pink just kind of really like helped to solidify everything. So now I'm going to contour my nose and kind of get into my eyes. And oldie but a goodie, I'm using the Maybelline Color Tattoo Pure Pigment Powders. This one is in Never Fade Jade. And I think this actually might be matte. I'm using an extremely fluffy blender brush. This is a Morphe R40. And all I'm going to do is actually kind of create a little bit of a contour to my nose first with this. And I'm going to be extremely light-handed. I'm gonna bring it up underneath my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Cosmetics Smudge Pot in Ain't That Sweet. This is like a really, really light pink shade. And I'm just going to lightly pat that up the middle to really kind of like highlight. I'm gonna bring it above my eyebrows just to really give off like a really iridescent vibe. I'm actually even gonna set that with Helia from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. For my eyes, I'm gonna do a little bit of like a purple neutrally. I'm going to do a purple neutral eye, and I'm going into my Karity Unicorn Dreams palette, and I'm just going to be taking like this quadrant right here. I'm just going to be kind of playing around. I'm going to start with hooves. Then I'm going to go into Secret. Then I'm going to take Mane, and I'm using the same fluffy blending brush for all of this. And I'm just kind of swirling them all over the eye. I kind of want my eyes to be like purple and sultry without being like the main event. Obvi, because look at these scales. Look at them. Then I'm going to go into the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to take Luna, and I'm just going to take my finger and press that in the middle, the inner corner. I'm taking that like halfway across my lid. And then with a buffer brush, I'm going to take Believer, and I'm just gonna buff that along the lower lash line. Alright, I'm gonna finish the other eye and come back for liner. Okay, for liner, I'm just gonna do a black wing liner. I'm gonna use my NYX Epic Ink Liner. Then we're moving on to mascara. I'm just going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then the lashes I'm using are the Ardell Double Up 207s. I've really been liking these for like glam looks because they pack a lot of punch, that's for sure. Alright guys, the time has come. I know why I bought this Cosmic Metals lip cream from NYX in Fuchsia Fusion. It was for my Halloween look. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, so before I move on to like my neck, because I'm essentially just going to put the scales down on my neck as well, I'm gonna like leave my chin kind of bare. I'm going to put on some bejoozles and pearlies, and I'm just gonna kind of put them where I see fit. With a little bit of lash glue, I'm just going to glue these on wherever I really see fit. And then to finish the look, I'm just going to take the big webbed scaly from the Wet n Wild stencil, and I'm just gonna put that on my neck. And I'm just going to stencil on my neck. And now I'm just taking the Super Shock Shadow in Animal, and it's just like a peachy color, and I'm just kind of stippling that and blending it out around where the coconut is. Just as like a little finishing, like, color add-on blend, if you will. Just felt like it needed something. And then don't forget to set, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then I might keep my hair like this, to be honest, because I have a seashell crown to finish the look off. Oh, that's heavy. I made that. That's heavy. Yeah. I think I'm gonna keep it like this, but I'm gonna add some glitter. Okay, so I'm going to add some glitter to my hair. I have two different cans. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it is temporary hair color, but this is multicolored glitter. I got this from Walmart. It was $1.98, and this is like a rose goldy pink glitter, so I'm going to use this because I just like it a little bit better. Okay. Well, you can barely see the rose gold glitter in my hair. I can see it, I know it's there, and that's all that matters. I feel like my crown is so tall, I need to sit all the way down here. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is my Mermaid Princess Halloween look. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Did you like this look? Or did you find it helpful? If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know all of your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I will link all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you're interested in getting this glamorous Mermaid Princess look for yourself, then you can check out all, none, one, few, whatever products that you need in the description box. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another Halloween tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.